Hi, I'm Romney, and thank you very much for joining me on my YouTube channel. What I want to do in this video, it's only going to be fairly short, but I actually want to ask you, what are the things that are really keeping you awake at night regarding KDP publishing, or even beyond that, scaling your self-publishing to other different markets? Is it to do with Amazon ads? Is your niche research struggling? Are you wanting to know about pricing of your books, uploading your books, the basics of creating books? What is it that is making things challenging for you? And what is it that I can actually teach you to help you on your journey? Now, I can continue to have a bit of a guess at what it is that you're wanting. I can do research on YouTube and find out what the popular terms are that people are searching for. But what I'd prefer to do is ask you directly. And what I'd like you to do is, in the comment section of this video, just put forward some of those things that are proving challenging for you. What are the things that you would like help with, that you'd like a video created about? So therefore, I can create my content around what it is that you need, not what I think you think that I think what you need. So what I would like you to do is make sure that you work through some of the challenges, list them down, and if there's a common pattern with some of the challenges that I'm seeing in the comments, then I can create a video around that. But if there's just a comment about one particular thing, but no one else has got a problem with that, then it might be a bit more challenging for me to create a video about that. However, if it's a popular theme where you are having challenges, please let me know, because I do want to help you. I want to help with your publishing. I want to help with KDP, or whether it's other passive income streams through publishing. They're the kind of things that I'd love to create content around. But I also can use that information to help with different things that I can build into courses as well. And that helps everybody across the globe with what I'm creating and what I'm doing to provide knowledge and experiences that I might have gone through that can in turn be to help you on your journey. So again, just a short video because I value your feedback. I value what your opinions are, what issues you've got, how I can help, and what we can do together to be able to scale your businesses as well. So thank you very much for watching. I look forward to reviewing those comments and being able to create content that is specifically tailored to what you want. So until I get that information, I look forward to creating my next video for you then.